Are you in the midway of any major issue? Are you on a junction to decide yes or no? Are you in dilemma to do it or to quit? Friends, majority of people fails here. They don't know if they quit and it prove to be best opportunity, then what will happen? And if they continue, if they do it, and if it's a bad opportunity, then what will happen? Yes, friends. Our today's topic in Think and Grow Rich NLP way, which is written by Napoleon Hill. If you want it, have it. This is today's discussion. So, there is a story in Think and Grow Rich that when Henry Ford decided to go for a new motor and decided to go for engine V8 for his new motor car. So he instructed engineers, and engineers designed the this V8 motor engine. And what happened that they said that all these 8-cylinder block in one piece die casting is required, right? So all engineers agreed that we will cast this 8-cylinder block in one piece, except one man. And he said that it is not possible. And engineers also realized, yes, it is not possible. So they said to Henry Ford that it is impossible to cast 8-piece block in one die. Henry Ford says, do it anyway. But engineer said, but sir, it is impossible. And Henry Ford said, produce it anyway. So if they want to be as a staff in Ford Motors, they have to do it. So they tried for next 6 months, nothing happened. More 6 months passed, 1 year passed, nothing happened. And then again went to Henry Ford, sir, it is not possible. Henry Ford said, go ahead, do it. I want it and I will have it. So they again just went again back and tried. And after 1 year, all of a sudden, they find the magic solution. They find the secret revealed, and they designed this 8-piece block in one casting die. So friends, there might be many flaws in the story I told you, but the moral of the story is very important for all of us, because if you want something, don't quit. Don't quit, but have it. But check it out before having it. Is it worth having it? Right? So the success principle is you must have desire first, because without desire you can do nothing. But this desire must be from your major definite purpose. If we talk about NLP, NLP helps in finding out our major definite purpose, because we should learn how to say yes. I mean, how to say yes means you should know that I want this. That's the part of desire. That is your major definite purpose. But when you say yes, what will happen that you will find two things. Number one, there are lots of shiny objects in between your path. This is called shiny object syndrome. So if you are going to become a trainer or a coach, and you will find that this is also a good topic, that is also a good topic, let me learn internet marketing, let me learn digital marketing, let me learn this, let me learn that. And you should control yourself, because you should not run behind these shiny objects. And you will also find lots of obstacles, because failures are the keys to success. So if you will not find key, how can you find success, right? So you should also learn to say no, right? So you should learn to say no to everything else other than your major definite purpose, right? So you should learn to say yes to your major definite purpose, and you should learn to say no to everything else which is not included in your major definite purpose. And this is the secret of this chapter. So friends, we are going to share lots of things in Think and Grow Rich NLP way. So be with me in the next episode also, and I promise you that it will be amazing for all of you, and you will find it life changing, a breakthrough for you. So be with me. See you into the next episode.